Transform your backyard with DIY planting ideas. Are you tired of looking at a bland and boring backyard? Do you want to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space that you can enjoy with your family and friends? Look no further. With these DIY planting ideas, you can transform your backyard into a stunning oasis that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. 1. Vertical garden. Use a trellis or a wall-mounted planter to create a vertical garden that maximizes space and adds visual interest. 2. Succulent garden. Create a low-maintenance succulent garden that requires minimal watering and care. 3. Herb garden. Plant a variety of herbs such as basil, rosemary, and thyme and enjoy fresh flavors right in your backyard. 4. Container garden. Use colorful containers to add a pop of color and create a portable garden that can be moved around. 5. Raised bed garden. Build raised beds using wood or stone and fill them with a mix of vegetables, flowers, and herbs. 6. Pollinator garden. Plant a variety of flowers that attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators to support local wildlife. 7. Shade garden. Create a peaceful retreat in a shaded area with plants like ferns, hostas, and impatiens. 8. Edible landscaping. Incorporate edible plants like fruit trees, berry bushes, and vegetables into your landscaping for a functional and beautiful design. 9. Living wall. Create a living wall using a trellis or a wall-mounted planter to add greenery and texture to your backyard. 10. Fire pit garden. Create a cozy seating area around a fire pit and surround it with plants that thrive in heat, like succulents and drought-tolerant flowers. With these DIY planting ideas, you can transform your backyard into a beautiful and functional space that you'll love spending time in. Get creative, have fun, and enjoy the process of bringing your outdoor space to life.